paano po kung isa lang client ko earning 402,000 a year? Need ko pa po ba mag-file? Ang nakalagay po sa ating National Internal Revenue Code of 1997 as amended, pag ang ating income ay less than 250,000 per year, hindi na po tayo required mag-file ng income tax return. Except, so very important po yun, merong exception. At isa na nga doon ay ang self-employed. Ang sabi sa ating tax law, regardless of our income, pag tayo po ay self-employed, so pasok po dito lahat ng freelancers since freelancing is a form of self-employment. At pag tayo ay self-employed, regardless of our income, required po tayo mag-file ng ating income tax return. At bago po tayo makakapag-file ng ating ITR, kailangan po muna natin mag-register sa BIR as a self-employed or as a freelancer. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.